Hi guys, welcome to another market analysis video. We will be looking at Forex pair. So it's basically Euro CHF. And I see something very interesting happening over here. So we can see that, on a daily time frame, the trend has been bearish so far. And there is some sort of reversal coming in over here is what a retailer would think like. And the reason is because you would start identifying like a inverted head and shoulder and stuff. And to a certain extent, yes, it does make sense. I mean, above this region, we could probably see some up move. But right now, if I take the recent data into consideration, we could still see that it is still in a downtrend. Why? Because over here, we saw like a double top kind of pattern, and the low was broken, and we went back in, and again, we are forming a lower low and a lower high. So my bias for this is going to be bearish. So we'll have to look for a lower time frame entry. And this is something which I'm looking forward to in the next week. Now, mind you, the data, I mean, the volumes in the markets have gone down because this is holiday season. So you wouldn't have a lot of activity in this time of the year. Typically November and December. January, I think after second week onwards is when we generally start seeing the volumes. So yeah, that's what it looks like right now. And yeah, my bias is bearish. So let's see if we can see any trade opportunities over here. At the moment, no. But I want to bring your focus to a major area over here, right? So I'm gonna draw a line, and yeah. So this, from a retailer's perspective, is a resistance, right? And we saw that there was a breakout, and then the price came down again, broke out again, it came down again, broke out, and again it is coming back. So what I am looking for is a short, right? So if the price comes back down over here, and we see some sort of bearish price action on a lower time frame, then we could probably find an entry. Now, these are the lows that are important. If these lows are broken down, and let me just draw that for you. Take the brush. Yeah. So this is the low that is important. So if the price goes down and then comes back over here, I'll be looking for a clear short. And if that happens, this is what my position is going to look like. I'm going to place my entry over here. Stop loss, depending on what the price action is going to look like, is going to be somewhere here. This previous low is going to be your first target, because what happens here is a lot of liquidity is below this. A lot of buyers would have kept their stop losses below this, and a lot of sellers would have kept their limit orders below this. So it's highly probable that we would see some sort of movement coming and taking these orders right over here. So that's called liquidity. So an easy 1:3.6 is what is in the tables right now. So let's see how the market plays out on Monday or in the next week. So yeah, this is something that I wanted to share, a quick trade that I see for next week. If I do see something more, I would definitely update in the coming videos. But till then, stay tuned.